Top Cable is an internationally recognized manufacturer of electric cables. Our company is committed to providing electric cables that in the event of a fire ensure the highest level of safety and reliability for people and equipment. The Construction Products Regulation is a regulation issued by the European Union, in force since the 1st of July 2016, and which must be followed by all member states. It is a fact that 90% of all fires that break out in Europe every year occur in buildings. The new CPR regulation forces cable manufacturers, cable distributors, project managers, architects, constructors, and installers throughout Europe to provide buildings with cables that have the right CPR classification. The CPR includes 4 classes that apply directly to electric cables: B2, C, D, and E. B2 cables have the highest performance against fire, very low flammability, low fire propagation, and are self-extinguishing, providing maximum protection for people and equipment. C cables also have a high protection against fire, a moderate flammability, low fire propagation, and are self-extinguishing as well. D are cables with a moderate protection against fire, low flammability, and limited smoke emissions. E are easily flammable cables. Furthermore, the CPR establishes 3 additional classification levels: the amount of smoke produced, the flaming droplets that fall from the cable during combustion, and the level of acidity of the smoke produced while burning. These additional classifications are vital when it comes to safety in the event of a fire. The CPR provides common and severe fire tests to be carried out by cable manufacturers in official laboratories. The official results of these tests will state the fire performing classes: B2, C, D, or E. During fire tests, heat release and flame propagation are being measured on a constant basis. Cables B2 shall not propagate the flame spread more than 1.5 meters, and cable C shall not propagate it more than 2 meters. Whereas cables with E classification spread the flame unlimitedly. Installing B2 or C cables prevent a localized fire from extending to other areas through the cable network. Regarding smoke production, cables 1 and 2 have a light transmittance greater than 60%, indicated by the following classification: S1, S1A, S1B, S2 or S3. This enables people to locate the normal exits or the emergency exits very quickly in case of fire. The CPR does not test the smoke production on Class E cables. Again, B2 and C cables have D0 or D1 index. Meaning that the flaming droplets self-extinguish after reaching the floor. This is a very important feature in order to avoid the generation of fire fronts that can spread the fire quickly. The CPR does not test the flaming droplets on Class E cables. The CPR also measures the acidity or toxicity of the gases that come out of the cable when burning. Cable B2 and C are not toxic. This is a very important issue, since people mostly die during fires because they cannot breathe due to the poisonous gases released from non-halogen-free burning compounds. The CPR does not test the acidity on Class E cables. National regulations prescribe specific classes based on environment and installation rules. In most countries throughout Europe, Class CCA is required in locations with high people density and important equipment such as offices, schools, hotels, hospitals, data centers and such like. Top Cable can provide a whole range of cables for all purposes with the best CPR performance. For example, our tox-free RZ1K cables are classified as CCA, S1A, D1, A1. This means that this cable is Class C. Therefore, it has a high fire protection, a moderate flammability, and is self-extinguishing. Additionally, it has been tested with the following results. S1A, no smoke emission. D1, small number of droplets which self-extinguish in under 10 seconds. A1, non-acid emission. Top Cable, because safety is our top priority.